Hey everyone, I'm back on the final insider news thing. Okay, so tomorrow is the big day, the YouTube workshop, and I got the details about what every one of the speakers are going to be doing. You guys know what I'm doing already because I've already told you yesterday that I'll be doing a session on how to use social media to promote your YouTube channel, get subscribers, how to basically get your YouTube channel out there in the open using other social networks. Okay, now I got the insights of what everyone else will be doing. So guess what? Chanuk's Bro is going to be doing how to get video ideas to get you inspired. So basically different ideas on what you can do as content on your YouTube channel. Kalumalli said he's going to be speaking about tips and tricks on to follow in order to reach a wider audience. So basically getting more subscribers and things like that. Malinda, on the other hand, is going to talk to you about how to improve production values of your YouTube video. So basically about pre-production, during production, post-production, lights, camera, audio, and all of those things. So that's going to get you a good quality YouTube video out there. And finally, Janit, he's going to be talking to you about 10 most important things on getting your channel out there, and on how to, very important, how to monetize your YouTube channel. So he will talk to you about what are the criteria of monetizing YouTube channels. Like all this time, you guys know that all this time we couldn't monetize our YouTube channels from Sri Lanka. You had to register from another country, which is not really the legal way of getting things done. But people have done that because it was not available here, so they could connect with third-party people and get their channel monetized through other countries. But now that we have a multi-channel network or an MCN in Sri Lanka, which is Idea Health, the first and the only one so far, you can easily monetize your channel through them. So Janet will obviously be talking about that part of it. But you can't just monetize your channel just like that. You have to follow certain criteria YouTube requires you to fulfill, and once you fulfill them, you can speak to Idea Help people and monetize your channel. So they are actually providing a lot of support services on getting your YouTube channel out there, with providing space to to shoot your YouTube videos, editing, and lots of other things. So he will tell you the entire range of details that you guys need to know on how to get your channel monetized. And there are also other things, like you need to watch out for. There are things that there are copyright violations and things that YouTube would kind of mark your channel as not good. So these are things that you need to watch out for. So all of those things will be discussed, and the best part is you guys can ask questions and find out all these details for yourselves. And the people who are unable to register on time, fear not. You guys are sorted. They're going to run a live YouTube of the entire session. So in case you guys are really upset that you can't make it, and you won't be able to get all the details, you will. So stay tuned for tomorrow. So this I think you're supposed to come there at, if you're coming, you have to be there by 8 o'clock. You need to have your unique entry code. That's a must, right? And also they've informed that they have finished sending all the unique entry codes. So in case you did register and you didn't get your unique entry code, message the Idea Help page and check with them. I'm pretty sure that if you had registered, you would have already had received your entry code. And those who are watching live, I think the sessions are supposed to start from 8:30 onwards, so stay tuned. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.